my bread. Look like you do ballet. Yeah, hold tight when you tiptoe. Shake something when you tiptoe.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole, and if you're new to my channel, hello, it's Nicole. So today I'm going to be doing a very requested video. Today I'm going to be doing the contour and highlight tutorial for beginners. But I hope this video actually helps you guys, like beginners on makeup, to know how to contour and highlight, because I know for sure when I started like doing makeup, I was like, what the heck do I do? Okay, so I already did all my eye makeup, my eyebrows, and my foundation to save some time for the video. So I'm going to be starting with the contour. So you want to really contour, like, you can say like from the top of your ear to like, just smile, and to like the end of your smile, like this. Something like this on the both sides. So you're basically doing your contouring like the outer portion of your face, so it can be like put together and like more defined look. So yeah, it's basically the outer portions of your face. So right after that, you just get like a flat brush. I don't usually spray it with something, but I'm just gonna spray it, I don't know, because it usually makes the job easier, you can say, because it like smoothens out the product. So that's what you want to do. So just spray it with like water or something, and then just blend it all. You don't want to blend it like down, because if you blend it down, then all of this part is going to be contoured, and you don't want to contour this part. You just want to contour like this and this part. Just gonna wet a little bit more to make the job easier. You see how easy it is when you wet it? It like literally wets all the product, and then it's easier to blend out. You want to seriously blend it like on this part over here. You guys always know that you have to blend your product on your neck and your ears. You just want to like kind of blend it like over here, not blend it like all of it over here, because then you'll be like contoured, and you don't want that look. You just want like a natural defined face. If you feel like you need a little bit more, don't like feel free to go back and, I don't know, put a little more over there. I didn't do like my concealer off camera, because it kind of does like a little bit of highlight as well, because that's how I use the concealer actually. So I'm gonna be using these concealers. I want to show you guys the process, because this video is like contour and highlight for beginners. So I'm just gonna show you like a trick I do with these two babies over here. Okay, so the first one, I just like obviously conceal my under eye circles, because that's what concealer is actually for. So I just get like, I use the light medium Born This Way concealer. It's like the best concealer. And then I use the light medium Honey from Tarte. This one I actually use it like for highlight, and this one I use it more like to cover my under eye circles, because I find that this one's like a little bit more of my color, not like a more pale kind of, you can say. So that's why I use like both. So first I just obviously like, you know, just cover my under eyes. And just like some places I feel like I need to cover a little bit, like some blemishes or something. So then I just blend it with a beauty sponge. This is from Real Techniques. And you kind of want to do it like in a triangle, so you can get like a little bit of highlight. You see like the difference if you do it like here, and then all the way up here, you get kind of like a highlight look. Okay, so now moving on to the other concealer I use for mostly like highlight. This one, I put it over here, like 3 dots. Then I put it on my nose because I love that look of the, like, I highlighted nose. Then I just did like a little line over here. I put some up here. I put some on my chin, on my cubic bone. And I put some over here on my inner corner of my eyes. Because I find like over here, it's like where you get more dark eyes. So yeah. I forgot to use this one over my nose. Like over here. Because us girls get like redness in there. So you want to cover that out. And then you just blend it with the beauty sponge. I really don't know why I did my contour first, but you're supposed to do the concealer first. And now since I did my contour first, I have to like go blend out the contour again. Now you just want to set like all your face so it doesn't like go crazy during the day or the night. So I'm just gonna blend it a little more because honestly, if you don't blend it and make it suck into your like face, even though you put like powder on top of it and setting spray, it will not stay in your face. So you really have to press it into your face, like get it in there. I'm just gonna be using setting spray really. I'm just gonna be using setting powder. I use the Mary Kay one. You can use which one's better for you. Make sure to really blend it down your under eyes, because if you set it with like a crease, the crease will stay. And now we're gonna set like the contour with some bronzer. So I'm just gonna get like this angled brush, you can call it, and then just go over where I contoured so it stays there. So I'm just gonna do like blush. I know it's not like supposed to be in the video, but whatever. You just grab some and the apples of your cheek. And then for your highlight, you're just gonna set it like, I use the cream What's Up Benefit one. So I'm just gonna set like in the places I put concealer to highlight. Not like the under eye concealer I used first, but the second one I used. So I'm just gonna use it here on my nose. I like to take it up a little bit on my cubic bone. So you really just want to highlight the places that it looks natural, like where the sunlight usually goes. You usually get like over here highlight and all the places I showed you. Some people like to highlight over here up top, but I feel like it makes you look some greasy kind of look. So I personally don't like that, but you can just put some highlight over there. And now you're just gonna set it like with the setting spray of your choice. I used like this one from Tarte. This is just like the sample, but I need to get a new one because mine ran out. So this is what I've been using. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.